हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज के चैलेंज का नाम है चूज वन बटन, यस और नो। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। वुड यू लाइक टू अडॉप्ट इट? से यस और नो। वाओ, इट्स अ क्यूट puppy. I would like to adopt him. Next question. Do you want to buy this phone? Say yes or no. Wow, iPhone 16. Definitely yes. Would you like to buy this car? Say yes or no. Oh, it's a garbage truck. I don't want to buy it. Do you want to help this man? Yes or no. A needy person. Definitely yes. Do you want to go there on vacations? Yes or no. Wow, beach. Yes. Would you like to meet this person? Say yes or no. Shah Rukh Khan. Definitely yes. Would you like to wear these shoes? Say yes or no. Oh, it's a dirty shoes. No. Would you remove this app from your phone? Say yes or no. Instagram. No. Would you like to eat this? Say yes or no. Oh, it's a red chili. A big no. Would you like to take bath here? Say yes or no. Oh, it's a dirty pond. No. Would you like to drink this? Say yes or no. Yummy, it's strawberry milkshake. Say yes. Would you like to play this game in real life? Say yes or no. Squid Game. Would you like to play this sport? Say yes or no. Wow, it's a badminton. Would you like to help her? Say yes or no. An old woman? Definitely yes. Would you like to eat this cake? Say yes or no. Yucky, warm cake. No. Would you like to wear this? Say yes or no. A dirty gown. No. Would you like to accept this as a gift? Say yes or no. A cute airport. Yes. Would you like to keep this animal as a pet? Say yes or no. Oh, lion. No. Do you accept this challenge? Say yes or no. Watch Annabelle alone. No. Would you like to watch this cartoon? Say yes or no. Doraemon. Definitely yes. So friends, thanks for watching and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.